911, that's me inside the Porsche. So much horsepower when I'm riding on the back of this track. I had a temptation calling me, I never hit back. They say human nature was never meant to be alone. Adam and Eve, the way the story goes, what is forbidden is what we always want most. So I want money and I want fame. Don't know about you, but it's probably about the same. If you're young and live in 2019, Instagram popular, sound like the right scene. I'm only 23 and I wanna be king. Looking for my Corvetta, trying to do much better than what came before me. Talking prior, my desire, I'm looking for. I'm looking for. Everything on your feet ain't what you should believe. If you wanna be free, go ahead and grab your key. I don't wanna get rude with it, but you got a lot to do with it. Got people out here not living their dream, not loving they self. They don't wanna be free, been tied down for way too long. To be in 2019, looking at a repeat. I refuse to be anything I see. From being the gunman to being dead in the street. Life is more than a paper bill we rig elections for. And rob corner stores and shoot more. No more counterfeit selfies. Smile for the shutter, but it screams.
Wanna make a difference. Freedom. 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 Freedom.
Remember when a nigga used to be dreaming about the process? Broke little kid with no dollar in his pocket. Used to try to dance, but really wasn't an object. Tried to play the case, but nigga not a locksmith. Used to being involved with the wrong damn crew. Playing nigga knock instead of going straight to school. But music was the talent, never knew just how to manage. Cause these niggas would just use you like some motherfucking tissue. It's cool, yeah, I mean I grew from it. Now I'm surrounded by my brothers, yeah, they mean business. And this chick that I love, though, she never witnessed the work ethic, man, I slave, but she never noticed. Because I really wasn't a boyfriend, just a petty novice, steady provoking weed and booze instead of choosing you. It hurts like hell when I realize that I'm the fool. When you chasing that paper trail, don't have a clue. I grind all day, I grind all night. Hey, what can I say? A nigga still smoking hella ounce of weed a day. Slaving at the 9 to 5, working minimum wage. Hey, I grind all day, I grind all night. Hey, what can I say? A nigga still smoking hella ounce of weed a day. Slaving at the 9 to 5, working minimum wage. Yo, cocaine residue on her nose. High on life, my combos hit high or low. Just a flame, no rings like a xylophone. My time condones money that's popular. Who is better? I'm colder than a Gucci sweater. In December, YV, Young Vendetta. What's for dinner? Rappers and beats, etc. Floating feathers, I flock with my birds, my breader. Watermelon, a watermelon, melon is strong. Trying to collide my record just to wreck every song. But let it be known, I'm equipped like a veteran's home. I nurse the game, so doc, take these veterans home. Over your head like halos, they'd rather be dead. I'm just trying to make money so my